Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video, we are going to learn Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. Primarily 2,3-dimethylbutane 2,3-diol, which is a vicinal diol, is known as Pinacol. Under acidic condition, it rearranges to 3,3-dimethyl-2-butanone, known as Pinacolone. This rearrangement of Pinacol to Pinacolone under acidic condition is called Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. Mechanism of Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement. Hydroxyl groups of Pinacol act as bases due to the presence of lone pair of electrons on oxygen. In the presence of acid, one of the two hydroxyl groups gets protonated to produce protonated Pinacol, which removes water molecule like this to produce carbocation. This carbocation undergoes rearrangement by 1,2-methyl migration, which is assisted by delocalization of lone pair of electrons on oxygen to produce protonated 3,3-dimethyl-2-butanone, which undergoes deprotonation to produce pinacolone. Let's have the example of bicyclopentyl diol. When it is treated with H2SO4, it rearranges to spiro 4,5-decane 6-ol. Let's see how this transformation occurs. In the presence of acid, there is protonation of one of the two hydroxyl groups to produce protonated diol. Removal of water molecule gives carbocation. Migration of CC bond, which is assisted by delocalization of lone pair of oxygen, causes ring expansion to produce protonated spiro 4,5-decane 6-ol, which after deprotonation gives spiro 4,5-decane 6-ol. When a diol is unsymmetrical, then the alcohol group, removal of which gives more stable carbocation, gets selectively eliminated. For example, this diol, when treated with H2SO4, can give two carbocations. Removal of this alcohol can give carbocation A, or removal of this alcohol can give carbocation B. We can see that carbocation A is more stable than B, so A is selectively formed, which after ring expansion gives protonated 2,2-diphenyl cyclohexanone. Deprotonation gives 2,2-diphenyl cyclohexanone. In Pinacol-Pinacolone rearrangement, the migratory aptitude of groups follows this order. Among aryl groups, electron-rich aryl groups have greater migratory aptitude than electron-poor ones. Let's have this example for clarification. This is a symmetrical vicinal diol. So under acidic condition, removal of hydroxide ion will give only one carbocation. There are two possibilities for the migration, phenyl and 4-methoxyphenyl. Migration of phenyl will give this protonated ketone, which after deprotonation will give ketone A, while migration of 4-methoxyphenyl group will give this protonated ketone, which after deprotonation will give ketone B. Since 4-methoxyphenyl group is more electron rich than phenyl, so it will have greater migratory aptitude than phenyl. Therefore, it will preferably migrate to produce ketone B as the major product. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.